Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on charging of a capacitor network. The question is as follows. In the given network of capacitors, the charge on the 4 μF capacitor is, the options are 5.4 μC, 9.6 μC, 13.4 μC and 24 μC. Now for the answer. The given network of capacitors is shown in the first figure. We will try to simplify the circuit as follows. Between the points B and C in the upper branch of the circuit, we have two capacitors of capacitance 1 μF and 5 μF in parallel. Therefore, the net capacitance is obtained by adding the two capacitances. Therefore, the net capacitance between the points B and C is equal to 1 μF plus 5 μF, which is equal to 6 μF. The simplified circuit is shown in the second figure. Now let us find the equivalent capacitance of the upper branch AC. We have two capacitors of capacitances 4 μF and 6 μF in series. Therefore, the reciprocals of individual capacitances are added to give us the reciprocal of the capacitance of the series combination. Therefore, we have CAC is equal to CAB into CBC divided by CAB plus CBC. Putting the values and simplifying, we get the net capacitance of the upper branch AC is equal to 2.4 μF. As 4 μF and 6 μF capacitors are in series, the charge on each of them and also on the combination will be the same. In a parallel network, the voltage across each branch will be the same. Therefore, voltage across the branch AC is equal to 10 volts and capacitance of the branch AC is equal to 2.4 μF. Therefore, charge on the branch AC is given by QAC is equal to CAC into VAC. Putting the values and simplifying, we get QAC is equal to 24 μC. Therefore, charge on the 4 μF capacitor is equal to 24 μC, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is D, which completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.